Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming Monterey and quitting the app so nothing blocks file removal. Once done, open Finder and navigate to Applications. This is where most apps live. If the app runs helpers, use Activity Monitor to quit those processes. This prevents locked files. Make sure you have admin credentials available. Some removals require authentication. Now that Finder shows applications, you're ready for the first delete step. Locate the app icon and prepare to remove it safely. Drag the application to the trash or right-click and choose Move to Trash. That removes the main bundle. Next, authenticate if prompted. Mac OS needs permission for system-level items. Before emptying trash, check /library and your user library folders for leftovers. Application support, preferences, and caches often hold files. Use Finder's Go menu with option to access /library. Delete related folders cautiously. Removing wrong files can affect other apps. When done, empty the trash to finish core removal. After emptying trash, restart your Mac to unload in-memory services and any kernel extensions the app used. Once restarted, verify system behavior and search for lingering items with Spotlight or Finder. If components remain, consider a trusted third-party uninstaller that removes launch agents and kernel extensions. Make sure it supports Monterey. If you run into permission errors or persistent files, boot into safe mode and repeat deletion steps. It removes many locks. If still stuck, restoring from a recent backup may be the safest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.